Hello guys, for this video, we will talk about integration by parts. So sa integration by parts, natay ginatawag na liate or kining liate. L-I-A-T-E. Wait. P o E. So kini siya imong guide kung unsa ang imong EU first, no? So this one is logarithmic, this one is inverse trigonometric, this one is algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential. So, mao na imong guide kung unsa imong i-take as your U, then automatic the rest will be your DV. Okay? Take note nga naatay formula sa ato integration by parts nga integral of U dV is equal to UV minus V or integral of V du. So, you have to know which of these ang imong EU ug imong EDV. So, as what I have said earlier, mao ni imong guide kung unsa ang imong take as U first. So, ani nga case, we have here algebraic and trigo. So, nauna si algebraic kasi ni trigo. So, of course, we will take U kini si x squared 3x, plus 3x. So, automatic, ang atong dv ana, kay katong wala na ito giyo, which is si sine 2x dx. So, ani nga portion, we will take the derivative. Diri nga portion, we will take the integral. So, let's go. Let's take the derivative of our u, which is derivative of u, of course, du. So, derivative of x squared is 2x. Derivative of 3x is 3. Then, the integral of dv is v. Then, the integral of sine 2x is, of course, negative cosine 2x over 2. Okay? Kana siya. Then, now, we will use this formula. So, maghimo ta og uv minus v du. Okay? So, isulat na to atong u og times v. So, this is our u times v. So, isulat na to dire x squared plus 3x times negative of cosine 2x over 2. Okay? Minus integral of v du. So, over v tapos du. So, isulat na to v, that's negative times negative. So, of course, mahimo na siyang positive. So, mahimo na siya diring positive. Okay? Then, we will write, then we have here 1/2. So, ato na lang pong pagawas ang 1/2. Or I will just write it na lang to avoid confusion. Okay, yan. Over 2 magod na siya. Tapos, okay class, don't forget kuanha ka ng mga parentheses kay that's very crucial. Okay, na-class na yun na ako. Mura kong naasa. Kuan. Okay, so that's dx. And then, we already have this. So, dili na nato. Kini siya, i-as-is lang nato ni. So, kay dili naman ani mo i-integrate. So, stay put lang na siya. Dali na po ka mag-focus. Okay? So, lahiun lang nato. So, ang integral ani, same ragyapon, mag-by parts na po ka og otro. Okay, so mag-by parts na po kag otro. You have your u, your du, and then you have your dv and your v. Okay? So, atong u is si algebraic gyapon. So, 2x plus 3. We will take the derivative of that. That's 2 dx. Diba? Then, ang dv nato kay si cosine 2x dx. Manong wala dili na nako i-appeal si 1/2. Kay kining 1/2 dire, ako na ni siyang i-butang din sa gawas to make things not that complicated. So, the integral of cos 2x is sine 2x over 2. Diba? And then, mubalik na po ka diri sa imong uv minus integral of v du. Okay. So, sulat na po nato atong u si 2x plus 3 times our v, which is sine 2x over 2, tapos minus integral of v, which is again si sine 2x over 2, tapos ang atong du, which is 2 dx. So, take note ha, kanang naka-green para na din ha. Okay, para taas magud kay siya, so dili na ko siya masulat og balik ning first kaning naa sa taas. And then, as you can see, 2 times, ayan, 1/2. Yan, ko-cancel out na nato na siya. And then, the integral of, diretsyon ta, integral of 2x. And then, kini na lang siya mo inabilin is integral of sine 2x. So, we can integrate that one nga ang integral of sine 2x is negative. Kini siya, no? As you can see, negative cos 2x over 2. And we have here also a negative. So, mahimo na siyang, akong lahiyon nag-color, positive cosine 2x over 2 plus c. So, actually, imong final answer, ani, is kini siya, okay, plus kini siya, tanan. Okay, so, let me rewrite that one on the next page. So, then hita, x squared. So, ako na lang na siyang kapihon, no? So, that is now x squared plus 3x. So, let me rewrite it here. What was that? X squared di. Okay, so that's x squared plus 3x times negative cos 2x raised to 1/2. Or pwede man mo ibutang ang 1/2 sa front, no? But anyway, x over 2 para lang maka-follow ta. And then plus, okay, the answer, kani siyang 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 times, yun siya, sine 2x over 2. Okay, sine 2x over 2. Tapos, wait, kini dayon. Cos 2x over 2. Cos 2x over 2. Wait. Dayon plus c. Or so, pwede na dayon na nimo siya i-simplify. Then, multiply na nimo times 4. If you want to multiply those or sa kana siya distribute, you may also. But, basically, mo na siya answer. So, you can just do your simplification. Okay? So, I hope you'll learn something. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!